Mystic Rain, poem by Renee. Rain, rain pouring down in sheets, crashing upon our mother, followed by total silence, cessation. Drops of water now pooling in oneness. Sunshine peeking through, light illuminating the way to show mist rising, nebulously fragile, mist rising. Along the path, shadows of nearby trees, mist nowhere to be seen, as if totally non-existent. Mist rising. Illusion? Where? Where are you? Are you there? Or is it imaginings? Trickery of the senses? Mist rising. Light shows its glow once again, removing the illusion. Mist rising to the sky, forming clouds, once again, renewing the cycle. Mist arisen.